బోలు
Amazing show.
Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I'm preparing morning smoothie. It's good for health. So I'm taking oats, apple, passion fruit, kiwi, strawberry and banana. Let's blend it together. Add oats, strawberries and add banana and kiwi and apple, and this is passion fruit. It's good for health. And I'm adding chia seeds. Add 2 tablespoons chia seeds and 1 tablespoon honey. And you can skip sugar if you want. I'm adding 1 tablespoon sugar and blend it nicely. Let's add almond milk. 1 cup almond milk. That's all. Smoothie is ready. This is best in the morning. That's all. If you want, you can put some fruits. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and share with your family and friends, and like, share, comment and enjoy my video. So let's give it to Lucky.
బోలు
So enjoy my video. Until then, see you. Bye.